So I've been investing into the stock market for the past decade, and I've learned so much about how investing actually works. The truth is that investing is a great way to increase your wealth over time and make a lot of money. When you first start off with investing, one of the most important factors is choosing the brokerage that you invest with. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So my name is Paul, and in this video, we'll be going over a quick Charles Schwab investing tutorial for beginners in under 5 minutes. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to get started with investing through Charles Schwab. Let's dive right in. So let's say it's your first time in the app and you want to know how to buy a stock. Once you get into the app, you're going to see this homepage here with the total value, the day change, and a chart. And all you have to do to buy a stock is click on the trade icon at the bottom. And once you click on the trade icon, you're going to be met with this screen. So you're going to see stocks and ETFs, options and mutual funds, but we're going to stick with stocks and ETFs for this video. You're going to see your account and you're going to see the available cash investments. You're going to see a place where you can enter the symbol or the company name of the stock you want to buy. And you're going to see order statuses, and so on and so forth. Let's say I want to buy a share of a stock such as Coca-Cola. So all you would do is click here and then type in KO, which is a ticker symbol of Coca-Cola. Click on the company. And once you click on the stock, you'll be able to see how much it is per one share. So it's around $63.94. You're going to select an action. So you can select buy or sell. We're going to click buy. Quantity, how many shares do you want to buy? So I'll just put 1 for now. Order type, you can choose market, limit, stop limit, or trailing stop order. So we'll check market. And you can click if you want to reinvest the dividends you receive from the stock or not. I highly recommend that you do if you're holding it for the long term, as it really helps with compound interest. All you would have to do after that is click review order. Once you get to this page, make sure everything looks good, and if everything looks good, just click place order, and that's it. You've just bought 1 share of Coca-Cola. Now, once you've bought the stock, you're going to be able to see the stock in your home page. So you're going to click on accounts here and go to individual brokerage here. And once you're in this page, you'll be able to see all the holdings that you have in your account. You'll be able to see the gain and loss per stock. You can see some themes. I just personally wouldn't use those, but you can explore some themes. You can see the history of everything that you've bought and sold, the balances, and any dividend income that you get from your stocks. And you can look at it in a tile view as well. You could also create your own watch list for your stocks that you're watching before you buy. So click on watch list here. And you can see you can add any stocks that you want. I have a few in here. And you can see them by stock ticker. You can do a custom columns, or you can look at the heat map, which pretty much shows you if the stock is up, is green, and if it's down, it's red. So you can see here. In the homepage, you can also see how well your stocks have been doing overall. So you can click on this line graph here, and you can see from 1 month to 3 months to 6 months, year to date, and max. Another very cool feature about the app is that you can see how the markets are doing overall. So click on markets here, and you can see all the major indexes for 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, and 1 year. You can scroll down for any breaking news and stock news, which is also great. And if you scroll down more, you can also see some company movers, some most actives in all sectors. You can see it's GME, AMC, Tesla, Apple, AMD, so on and so forth. And it gives you a rundown of how the sectors are doing. So financials, information technology, healthcare, industrials, energy, etc., which is really great. You can see the top mentions, the market volatility. And yeah, there's a couple other things on here, but overall, it's great. And that's it. That was a quick overview of how to invest for beginners on Charles Schwab in a nutshell. I tried to make this video as quick as possible for you guys, so I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.